So I made this slime, I'm gonna say maybe almost 2 months ago, and I've had it in this little container, and I decided to pull it out and play with it today because I'm feeling some type of way and I find this extremely relaxing. I forgot that I even had this. There was a point where I was obsessed with making this. Let me shut the hell up, because I know there's people out there that just want to hear the sounds. Hey, baby. Uh-oh. Someone doesn't like this. You don't like it, boo-boo?